Windows leaking air through gaps in frame corners can seriously mess with your home's energy bills and comfort, but fixing it is way easier than you think. Okay, so first off, you gotta check all the corners of your window frames for any gaps or cracks where air might be sneaking in. Use your hand or a candle flame to feel or see if air is coming through. Once you find those gaps, grab some good quality exterior caulk or a weatherproof sealant. Silicone-based stuff works wonders. Before you apply it, make sure the area is clean and dry. Otherwise, the caulk won't stick properly. When you squeeze the caulk tube, try to keep a steady hand and fill those gaps fully without overdoing it. Too much just looks messy. After applying, smooth it out with your finger or a caulking tool so it seals tight and looks neat. Let it dry fully as per the instructions on the tube before you open or close your windows again. Doing this not only stops drafts, but also helps keep heating and cooling costs down, which is always a win. One of the biggest mistakes people make when sealing windows for air leaks is using the wrong type of caulk, like indoor caulk on outdoor frames, which just doesn't hold up to weather. Fix that by using a high-quality exterior silicone or polyurethane caulk that stays flexible. Another common issue is not cleaning the window frame before sealing, so the caulk peels off quickly. Always scrub off dirt and old sealant first. Lastly, some folks rush through and don't fill the gaps completely or miss tiny cracks around corners. Taking your time to carefully fill every bit makes all the difference. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid spot for homeowners who want to find reliable local contractors for jobs like sealing windows or bigger fixes. It also helps contractors connect with people who really need their services, making it easier to get trusted work done without all the hassle.